सर आज तुम्ही मिरामार आयिल्ल्या कितें हायलायट करपाक पळयता तुमी?
आमी पयलीं हांव तुमकां सगळ्यांक थँक्यू म्हणूंक सोदता. तुमी आमचे ते स्पोर्ट्साचो इशू तुमी आमचे आयकले आनी थिंगा साकून गव्हर्मेंट मिशनरी मूव जाली. 3 वर्सां कोणेंच पळोवंक ना. तुमी मिडिया येयले, आमकां मिडियाच्या बरा उलोवंक लागले म्हूण ते मातशें ताका लागून हो इशू फुडें चल्लो आनी कितें रेजोल्युशन येता. सो तोयंत आतां आमी कितें चिंतलें, खूब सिटीजन आतां वांगडा येयल्या ते म्हणटा की आमी इशू घेवया पेंजीमचे, कितें सोल्युशन तरी मेळटलें. तर आतां मेन हिंगासर कितें हायलायट करूंक जाता, अंडर अमृत 13.8 crores was spent on this.
How much?
13.8, 12.8 or 13, one or something. Sorry, 12.8 or 13 crores. Now, the main thing which was said was to protect. There was some wind coming, sand was blowing, retaining wall was one budget. That all went up and down, and we then saw this development take place. None of us were that away or whatever. Okay, we in good faith we allowed it to pass. So what they did in development, they made concrete structures like this. They made this pathway which you're saying is destroyed in 5 years. They made those gazebos there which are totally like rusted and gone. At the end of it, in 5 years, this investment is totally to be written off. Now, anyone if you see in Goa will tell you this is a coastal beach with strong winds. And what is your natural protection on this beach? It is your casuarina trees, this forest. It is your sand dunes. And it is your natural vegetation. But now they did this in 5 years. Then they've flattened a lot of things. You've seen this levels raised with this soil which is put here, which is dumping around. And it has been a total failed development. So as a principle, we want to highlight that concretization only is not development. There are certain natural areas like forests or beaches. We have to leave them as it is with minimal interference. You have to maintain that you have to ensure that the sand is kept. You have to ensure that the natural vegetation is kept, which is a natural buffer. So we want to highlight this not only as a wasteful expenditure, but as a future step that this sort of development should not be considered at all. If you are looking at the beach, you should be basically just looking at maintaining it with cleanliness. You should be looking at seeing there are good facilities when people before they enter the beach. There should be toilets, clean toilets, changing rooms, and there should be safety. Beyond that, the beach does not need anything else. Is what we are is the principle we are saying. We don't need this sort of development which is ill thought and which benefits no one. There's a term in technology, the technology industry called N-shitification. What does this mean? You have a product or a service which you keep on investing on, not for because the product is good or whatever, but there is a certain coterie which benefits. And this is a prime example of this. So we want to request or demand that the government remove this sort of development and see that it's not carried out again.
Do you think this is what they had made infrastructure for the public? This is the waste of money of the exchequer.
See, no, this is not dangerous. It is total waste of money. It has to be removed because if you're coming here, if you're not mindful, you'll get accidents. People have been injured. It is jumping up and down. So what have you achieved by putting infrastructure like this? Nothing. This was sand. What is the danger in sand? Sand is soft. Okay, if you have some issues, you can sink in and all. But this is even worse.
So what do you think? This is what the money had been spent, whatever the X amount, crores of rupees. This is the waste of
Total waste. Total waste.
सर मी सेंट्रल लायब्ररीच्या फाटल्यान पळोवंक शकता मँग्रोव वॉक म्हणून केल्ले ते फूल डॅमेज जाला आनी हांगाय पळय जाल्यार फूल डॅमेज जाला. कितें दिसता तुमकां तेंचे रिसर्च वर्क बीन काय आसना अशें दिसता?
मॅनग्रोवाची म्हाका दिसता ती गोष्टी थोडी दुसरी आहा कित्याक तें कन्सीव केलेलें. दॅट वॉज अ ब्युटिफुली थॉट आउट प्रोजेक्ट. बट ते एग्जिक्युशनान तें सामकें फेल जालें कित्याक यू डिडंट हॅव एनी मेंटेनन्स फॉर इट. देवर दोज ब्रिजीस तें कितें तरी मेंटेनन्स चिंतूंक जाय. गव्हर्मेंटान डेव्हलपमेंट करता कांयच मेंटेनन्स उरना. बट this was a doomed project from the start. At least mangroves people can learn. There's an ecosystem, and mangroves Goa needs. We are saying we are mainly under what do you call that, below sea level. We are going to be hit by climate change. Our first defense is going to be vegetation like this. So if we don't have it, we have to find a way to see that mangroves where they exist are protected. Maybe not, they should not be entering Kazan lands or rice fields or whatever, but at least on the boundaries they should be there.
हे करपाची गरज आशिल्ली. हे
काय माझ्या म्हणण्यान कांयच गरज नासली हेजी. कोणें घातला ते तकली वापरना आसतना केल्या. तो हे एक प्रोजेक्ट कांपालार घेवंक करताले ते आर्ट पार्क हा म्हणून थिंगासरूय तें कितें दिल्ली हार्ट कोहें कितें प्रोजेक्ट प्लॅन केलेलें कित्याक पयशे तेका येताले आनी कॉन्क्रीट करूंक. मॅडम पेट्रिशा पिंटोन तेका आमची मिटींग घेवन सगल्यांक 20 जाण घेवन MLAक मेळलो MLA तेच्या घरा आमकां मेळोंक येयलो आनी ताणें म्हणलें आय अंडरस्टँड युअर कन्सर्न ताणें स्क्रॅप केलो सो तशें वी हॅव टू नाव बी व्हेरी विजिलंट बिकॉज आय डोंट थिंक गव्हर्मेंट थिंक्स वेन इट अप्लायज दीस प्रोजेक्ट.
इवन ते पार्काचें कंपाऊंड वाडोवपाक पळयता तो एक पॉयंट आसलो तितून ताका लागून सुद्दां ते हे केल्ले
खंयचो
पार्क आहा न्हू तेजो कंपाऊंड वाडोवपाक पळयताले ते
3 पार्क आहा ते फ्रांसीस लुईस गोम्स
फ्रांसीस लुईस गोम्स
तेजें आमचें कितें डिस्कशन चल्लां
हितूर करप्शन आसा दिसता तुमकां हितूर हे पयशे खावपाचे कितें तरी.
एज अ सिटीजन म्हाका इतलेंच सांगूंक जाता की समवन इज नॉट गिल्टी टील इज इनोसंट टील इज प्रूवन टू बी गिल्टी. नाव करप्शन हा काय नको बट इट इज वेस्टफूल नेग्लिजंट एक्सपेंडिचर आय एम सेईंग इट इज अ नेग्लिजंट वेस्ट ऑफ मनी.
सर तुमच्या फाटल्यान एक ब्युटिफूल
If I was in a private company and I did work like this, I'm sure I would not have retained my job.
तर तुमच्या फाटल्यान एक ब्युटिफूल स्ट्रक्चर दिसता आतां ते सद्याक डॅमेज जाला पूण तेजो इम्पॉर्टन्स कित्याक तुमी सांगूंक शकता.
आमचें हें म्हणणें की कॉन्क्रीट कित्याक जायना कॉन्क्रीट इज नॉट निडेड फॉर दीस आनी तो स्ट्रक्चर कित्याक केला कॉन्क्रीट डिझायन केला तेच्या वयल्यान मागीर कितें टायल्स घातले
पूण नॉय ते हेजे कॉन्क्रीट केला ताजेर घालना न्हू एक्चुअल पयले ते लाकडांचेर घालता न्हू पूण हे कितें दाखोवपाक पळयता.
म्हाका दिसता कितें आर्ट कितें स्पायरल कितें इझॅक्ट कॉन्सेप्ट म्हाका.
सर आनीक इश्यू एक हायलायट जाला कलाकर्मी कडेन जे लायट हावज आहलो न्हू तो डॅमोलिश केला सो लोक ताजेर कन्सर्न दाखयता तुमचो व्यू पॉयंट कितें आहा ताजेर.
म्हाजे ते दोन हांव शुअर नको तो लायट हावज केन्नाचो म्हाका दिसता तो 70s आसलो आनी तो हांवें तो भायर साकून तो पळयला तो फूल म्हाका कॉन्क्रीट लागता. तो म्हाज्या प्रमाणे आय एम नॉट शुअर कॉन्क्रीट स्ट्रक्चर 40 to 50 years लायफ आहा आनी तांकां रेनोवेट करूंक ते खूब कॉस्ट खाता बरोबर. सो इफ दॅट इज द केस देन आय थिंक इट इज एन ओके डिसिजन. But there are people who are saying that it is a lighthouse which predates many years back. It predates historic. It's a historic lighthouse. Whether that structure is historic or the location is historic, I don't know. But the structure per se, as I see, as a concrete lighthouse, then I'm okay with it. Personally, heritage lovers, you should consider their view. But if it is not, if it was a very old structure, then they should have looked at a way of conserving it.
तर परत एक लायट हावज स्ट्रक्चर बांदचें ते तुमकां दिसता की पॅन्डेमीक आहा आतां ना आनी तेजे
लायट हावज तुका इफ यू नीड इट फॉर द चॅनल बांदपाचें एक्चुअली नीड इट यू शूड बांदपाचें अदर इट डजंट मेक सेन्स टू पुट